All right, so now we're gonna see how it connects with what we just practiced and the objective of today. So we see that the numeric expression 5 times 27 represents the area of the walkway from the problem we just did, right? So we had 5 times 27. A numeric expression is a math phrase that only contains numbers and operations. So that means it will not have an equal sign. So if you don't have an equal sign, it's an expression. Now if you do have an equal sign class, what would we call that?
Equation.
An equation, very good. So the equation is 5 times 27 equals 135. And that shows you that 5 times 27 is equal to the expression 135. Okay? Any questions on that before I continue? So now we're gonna go ahead and try this on our own. So when I say go, I want you to work on this problem. It's linear, meaning that it's step by step. So I want you to work on this problem on your own. You're gonna have 3 minutes to work when I say go. All right, Mr. Jackson, what are we gonna be doing when I say go?
Working on these problems.
And how long are you gonna have to work on them?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Thank you so much. Ready, set, go. Any point you would like some help, please raise your hand. Seems like everybody's getting it, but if you do want help, it's available. Please raise your hand. And one of us two will come to you. Good question. You have 40 more seconds. You have 40 more seconds.
You should be wrapping up.
All eyes on me on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Have almost 100% eyes on me. Let's do 2 more pairs of eyes. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn to our partner. We're going to discuss how we work through this problem. All right, we're going to turn to our partner. All you're going to do is discuss how you work through this problem. Ready, set, go.
About 60 seconds.
When you start, but when you start, I didn't start to pay attention on your, like, I put it right here. And you start to see like, well, how it's really about that, like, what? I just said like smaller regions, so each of these are breaking down. What's going on there.
Alright, all lights on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We went around and heard a lot of great conversations. I loved the conversation I heard over here. So I told them that I'd be calling on them. So how did you split the side lanes of 27?
So I started off by breaking the 27 up in 10s, so 20 plus 7.
Okay. And then what are the factors of each smaller region?
20 and 7.
Beautiful. Right, so all you do is bring it down because it's already separated by distributed property.
Correct.
And then what is the area of each smaller region?
100 plus 35.
And what is the total area?
135.
135. I know I saw somebody going around questioning what about units? I know in 5th grade you all learned that it's units squared. For the sake of this being the first lesson, we're not going to touch on the units yet. But the next lesson, we're going to have all different types of units to work with.
Before we move, I did see another way done. Would you like to share?
Okay, so my partner, she did, instead of doing it the traditional way, like, most of us did, she did the 13. So she did 13, and then the other number was 14. And then when you bring it down, you do 13 and 14. And then that equals, so the 13 times 5 is gonna be 65. And then the 13 times 5, I'm sorry, the 14 times 5 is 70. And then that's gonna equal 135.
Both ways are correct. And again, like I said earlier, there are multiple ways to solve it. The 20 and 7 is the easiest, the one you'll recognize the quickest, but we do have some GC minds in here.